Cold air is in. Let's see how she goes. All right, let's put her in gear. Probably gonna lose you off the dash, but hey, use what you're given. Now I think probably the turbo spool will be a little bit better. Oh, you guys probably can't hear that because I've listened to a lot of turbos, like a lot of these videos, and they talk, oh, you can hear the turbo spool way more now. It is exactly as advertised. And we're like driving 30 kilometers an hour. Like, that thing sounds like a turbojet. Oh, I want to get this thing out to the highway. Just sounds like it's whistling in the background. Turn the exhaust brake on too. Oh man, that in its own right. I don't care if that's the baffle getting removed or not. This thing is making exactly the noise I want it to make. It's just screaming right now. And like I said, we're driving in town 40 kilometers an hour. All right, we're coming up to our first sort of slowdown. Let's see what we can hear on the exhaust brake. Coming in at about 70 kilometers an hour, and then we're gonna merge onto the highway. Listen to her growl. Oh. Oh, it's like she's banging on a drum. Sorry guys, we did not get to enjoy that merge onto the highway very much. One, we're still warming up a little bit, so I didn't want to vlog it too much. And two, we had a stupid Honda CR-V that I don't even want to say. They squeezed me out. That's just sad. I'm driving a 1-ton diesel and a Honda CR-V squeezed me out merging onto the highway. That's just sad. I might not even put this in here because that's just so bad. Hey Kuna, what do you think of the new whistle? Oh, and that exhaust brake. Oh, that's like way. I can feel that in the gas pedal. Like my foot's just touching the gas pedal, and I can feel the exhaust brake through the pedal. Like it's vibrating my truck. Like that is insane. And that whistle. All right, let's do a full takeoff. No one in sight. You can hear that way more. That exhaust brake's just gonna bring us right down. Oh, in fourth gear, it is just this morning through it. Holy, that's insane. 100 kilometers an hour. All right, there's actually a uphill that's coming up. Not a steep one, just sort of uphill. Like, I'd say that's a full point less than what I would have seen with the K&N. Like, this is quite impressive, actually. I did not expect there to actually be a lot of gains from fuel mileage perspective, but I'll have to maybe update this and just see where it ends up. Like, if I go to my trip where I'd reset, like I was at 13.2, and that was like a strictly highway trip. That was to go pick up this cold air, actually. That was down south of Calgary and then back up again. So just see here, like, this has kind of been going up and down on the road, and we are just, this is a relative flat, so I would be normally about 11 if I was to put a guess on where that would have been before. So I mean, a full liter per 100, not a ton, but definite difference. So, like, I usually never saw it get down to this, 3, 4, like 6 was probably when you were kind of coasting down a hill. So I think it's just breathing better, and when you're breathing better, you're making more power, which means you're running more efficient. And when you're running efficient, I guess you get some mileage gains as well.
The speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, see, I'm gonna need that warning now. I was slowing down. Give me a break. Okay, I opened the window. Maybe you can hear it a little bit better. We're stuck behind somebody now. Oh. Just incredible. Hey, Kuna, you like with the wind?